How to upload YouTube Shorts from Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you have logged into your account, you can see different options at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on this plus icon at the middle on the bottom of the screen. Here you can see there are 4 different options from video to shorts to live to post. Now since we want to upload the short, so you just tap on the short and just click any video over here. As you do that, tap on the check mark beside the video and then tap on next. And here you can just caption your short and then you can mention your visibility, your location and audience, and then you can just tap on upload short and it will start uploading to your videos over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to upload YouTube Shorts from your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.